welcome to Herman's RV Holidays. It is Saturday, the 16th of March. And I think so. And if you recall, a couple of weeks ago, it was really hot and sunny in February.
Shaking.
But now we've just had Storm Gareth.
Yes, now we've got Storm Hannah.
One after the other.
Yes.
So,
Disgusting.
not a great time to be out in Herman. He's a bit swaying, you might not notice it. But where are we?
We're just outside Overton, aren't we? In Micheldever.
Okay, Micheldever,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, it's about north.
Stoke Charity area.
10 miles north of Winchester,
Yes.
along the A303. Well, that's where we are.
Yes.
We had a few plans, such as going to Winchester and seeing the cathedral, seeing the abbey, but because it's windy, because it's been raining on and off, not good for the camera and just standing out in it. So we're just going to relax. I'm going to be using this. We're going to go for a walk, and I'm going to be taking this camera with me and see if we can come up with some interesting new shots. Let us know what you think. But we'll show you around the campsite first, I think. Right, let's go. We have our drinking water, our recycling, grey waste, chemical disposal, and a toilet. Hope you enjoyed that little ditty of this 360 degree camera. Let us know what you think. I might be doing some more vlogs of it depending on how it comes out. So I guess I'm going to say adios for the moment until the next one. Yes. Say goodbye, my love.
Bye-bye, my love.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.